Hello everybody, Monty Reed here for Thrive Life, and today I want to talk to you about the new Party by Mail and how we use it. Now, there's an old video called Party by Mail where we take samples and we offer to people about a tablespoon of each product per person. So if they have 5 people, we're going to send them 5 tablespoons. But for the most part, the Party by Mail was for 1 or 2 people, and you'd send 1 or 2 tablespoons of corn, pineapple, yogurt, and then a package of chicken salad that we would mix up. I also like to include information for them about the Thrive food and also the products and the business opportunity. And so I like to keep it simple. You can add the Tale of 2 Bananas card, which is also very handy, very useful. What you want to make sure that you always include is some vegetables, some fruit, some dairy, and some meat, so that they can taste all of the products. Because as most people know, a true business, home-based business, a network marketing business is really strong if you have a consumable product. And what's more consumable than food? So you can order your own kit. You get back to the person who sent you this video. And this is for the consultant who wants to send the Party by Mail. Now, I've been training our consultants, our team, about a 60-mile bubble. And for anyone within 60 miles, you want to go see them in person. Anyone outside the 60 miles, you want to mail a Party by Mail. Now, if you love to drive, then you can make it longer. I personally have driven over 1,000 miles to do a party. I drove from Seattle to American Fork, Utah to do a party, and sponsored some people who lived 1.5 miles from corporate office because they'd never heard of Thrive before. I've also gotten on airplanes and flown all over the country. And over the years, I've flown all the way to Europe to share our business opportunity with people, because the network consuming or network marketing or multi-level marketing is one of the best ways to share business opportunity and best ways to share products. And so this video is just on how to put together a Party by Mail. This is the Deluxe Party by Mail. If you can't afford it or you don't have enough free product, go ahead and use the old Party by Mail where you're just using a tablespoon of each product into Ziploc bags. There's a video on it. Go ahead and take a look at it. So the new Party by Mail or Deluxe Party by Mail, the way I recommend you do it is you build up your business so that you have money to purchase the product, or you have enough free and half off that you can get it at a discount. This package of corn came to us for free because we get a lot of free product because we move a lot of product. And so I recommend you include a package of the corn, and the Snackies makes it very easy. It's fresh and easy to use. I'll include that. I like to include pomegranate yogurt. In my original video was vanilla. I like the pomegranate. I think it tastes better. That's a dairy product for them to try. Then I recommend you use one of the pineapple minis because it saves you money. If it's half off, it's only $1. If you got to buy it, it's $2. Of course, it's free for me, so I like to use the pineapple. And because I absolutely love the cheddar cheese, I notice that customers either love it or hate it. So one way or the other, they're going to get a reaction. And the cheddar cheese is another way to learn about our dairy, but also ketogenic diet is a very popular thing. It's a new version of Atkins where people are looking for 0 carbs, and it's a 0 carb snack, high protein. You know, it only has 10 grams of protein in 1 pouch, but it is a 0 carb snack. And so for people with diabetes and people that are on that ketogenic diet, this is a perfect snack. And then you got to have the indulgent line, the coconut bites. This is just delicious coconut cream snackies. And then because of the to-go meals, you have a variety of opportunities for meats. And you can include just one, your favorite, or whichever one the corporate office is not out of, or you can include them all. And so there's a chicken fajita you just add boiling water to. Stir, 5 minutes later you eat. The island pork, add boiling water, stir, 5 minutes later you eat. Chicken salad, you add room temperature water. You can use boiling water if you want, but if you're going to eat it cold, then and you have 20 minutes, go ahead and add cold water and wait 20 minutes and then stir in the mayonnaise. But if you don't mind it hot or you want it hot, go ahead and put the boiling water in there and it's ready in 5 minutes. And so, but I like to do it cold for 20 minutes and stir it 5 or 6 times in that 20 minutes and then add in the mayo. And so that's your meats. Include a current catalog, because there's over 200 grocery items. When you talk to them on the phone, let them know that there's probably 15 or 20 items that are not in the catalog, because we're coming out with new products all the time. That's one of the beautiful things when you look at the potential of going from $75 million annual sales, and then looking at tapping into the larger market, which is over $5 trillion. We have quite a ways to go, but really any food that's out there you could possibly add. I mean, there could be goat cheese, goat milk. I mean, just with milks, you could just get into all kinds of amazing opportunities. So the catalog, you want to have a cover letter, and I include this book by Dr. Judy Boulom. I read it about 8 years ago, 2 years before I found out about Thrive. And when I found out about Thrive, I remember in in the first chapter, page 19, I remember something that I read in here. She talked about the standard American diet, S.A.D, being S.A.D. Right in here, it says, but if we eat unhealthy foods, then the body has no nutrients to build on, so the brain sends out signals to increase hunger. And really, basically, it says, your brain, you're hungry, your brain says eat, the body goes and eats, and when it's done, the brain says, there's none of the stuff I requested. There's a bunch of junk in here. We got calories, a little fiber, but there's all the stuff we need is not there. And so the brain continues to send out these signals for hunger, and that's why people are overweight here in America. And when I got my Thrive products, I went and saw the chiropractor who wrote this book, and I told her, hey, Thrive products and the belief system is parallel with yours. You've got to be a consultant. And she agreed. She signed up because it just made sense. I mean, she loves healthy, clean food, and that's what Thrive's all about. So don't try to sponsor her. We already got her in. But you can get the books on Amazon, and it's just called Enhancing Your Life Now by Dr. Judy Boulom, DC. I'll include a link to the Amazon and put that in the box. And then the cover letter simply says, Dear friend, take time to review these materials and share the taste of the foods with family and friends. As Dr. Judy Boulom points out in her book, Enhancing Your Life Now, the standard American diet is S.A.D, S-A-D. You can change the way you eat and enhance your life now with Thrive Life. Take a look at her book for more information about this on page 19. You can also view my YouTube video, Why a Foodie Joined Thrive Life. To find out more about Thrive Foods, just search on YouTube, or I've included a link in the letter. If you're looking for a business where you can share clean, simple food with people you know and love, this might be the right business for you. If you like to help people and make money, this may be the opportunity you have been waiting for. On the other hand, if you just want clean, simple food for yourself and your family, you can become a consultant and save money on your food budget. To order a starter kit, they're only $135, $265, or $499. Mark your calendar and come to Leadership in January of 2019. Also plan on attending the convention to learn about the company and meet the leadership team and tour the home office. So just mark your calendar, check the Thrive office webpage, and check with the consultant who told you about this. And of course, if you don't have a consultant, you can sign up with us and get started. And you can go to the freegroceryclub.com and click on the link. When you're ready to register, get your starter kit here. And I just include the link in the letter. Schedule a tasting for a week from when your kit arrives, which is usually in about 2 weeks from when you get started. And then, so 2 weeks from now, when you order, 2 weeks from now, you should have your kit in a week, and then that gives you a week to invite. So you want 2 weeks out. Invite people to come test market the products by letting them taste it. And then you'll know if you have a good business here. And if not, just eat the food and you're done. Let me know if you have any questions by text or phone or email, 206-250-5639. And my email is myslamcooking@gmail.com. Now you want to include yours information in there. And I include my YouTube channel. And P.S. Try the corn first, then move on to the fruit and the meats. And so you include that in there. This is your party by mail. I like to use these Thrive Snackies boxes. You can use any box you want and send it priority mail so they get it right away. This is Monty Reed talking to you about the new Deluxe Party by Mail. And this is Monty Reed for Thrive Life. Have a great day.
Keep thriving, my friends.